everyone, Linka Brady here with Mobile Solutions. So today I'd like to show you a great little tip about how you can build a loyal following, your tribe, but not on social media. I have a little bit of a spin on it, so please do listen up. But first, let's chat about social media. It has become really busy and very noisy, and to stand out and to be visible takes a lot of time and effort. It does not have to be this difficult. It really doesn't. If you have a mobile app through Mobile Solutions, you can build your own tribe. You can build your own community. People that will follow you just because you're sharing helpful content with them through your mobile app, through push notifications. People that will love connecting with you because you have something of a value that you're offering to them. So, excuse me, through maybe your reward zone, if you're offering discounts, coupons, punch cards, people will go to your app and they will engage with you. They will engage with your service, and they will buy your product if they're getting something back in return. If you have a motivational app and you're sharing information that makes people feel better, that makes them lose weight, that helps them cook in a healthier way, keto diets, right? All that stuff. If you're sharing recipes, again, if it's content that's educational, helpful, informative, and that makes people feel good, they will engage with you. And so what you can essentially create through your mobile app is your own community that you have access to 24/7 without any of the social media noise. And lastly, you guys, consistency. You cannot build anything. You cannot build a business. You cannot build a tribe without being consistent. Your customers downloaded your app for a reason. You promise something to them. You have to deliver on that promise. And you have to deliver on it in a consistent kind of manner. So I highly recommend my practice. I have a planner, pen, simple paper, pencil kind of a thing. I sit down one day a month and I plan my push notifications for my customers that I take care of. And I make sure that they make sense from the business perspective. I know the audience, I understand what works for them, what kind of information they like to receive. And then once I have it all together, I create a quick few little sentences for our push notifications, excuse me. And then I go into the software, type it all in, schedule it, and the app works on its own based on the information that I have inputted. And that's what you should do as well. So this way, again, you do all the hard work once a month, and then you let your app do all the work for you. You will ensure consistency, which will then turn into trust, because once people start trusting you that you're delivering on the promises, what they will do, they'll reward you with their loyalty. And by default, organically, you will start growing, right? And your tribe will become bigger. And you will not have to worry about fighting all the big guys. You will not have to worry about fighting all the noise on social media, because you will have direct access to your own tribe, to your own community. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any additional question or any questions, please reach out to me. I do have great videos on my new YouTube channel. We just published it, so there's I think about 6 or 7 videos, and we're publishing new content every week. So please feel free to look me up. It's Grow Business with Mobile Apps. You can also find me under Linka Brady on all of the social media platforms. And if you have direct questions for me, or if you need help, I'm offering free consultations. If you have a mobile app that's not really performing for you, let me know. I'd love to do a little 360 of it and see what you're doing with your app and what your strategy looks like, and find some of the tweaks, fine-tune it for you so that it can start performing for you again. Thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.